let me show you how to customize app colors on iOS 18. You can do this two ways. Either tap and hold on the home screen where there's no apps and it starts the jingling, or you can swipe to another page and let's just choose Amazon, tap and hold, and you can see edit home screen option, tap edit home screen option. So they're both the same way to do it. On the top left, tap edit, tap customize. And we have four options at the bottom: light, dark, automatic, and tinted. Tap tinted. Now you've got two sliders right at the bottom. Currently they're at both ends of the extreme. So we can move that slider to make adjustments. Try the other ways. Yeah, we're getting there now. And if we change that, you can see the colors do change. It can be quite drastic, and you may have to fiddle about with it to get the desired results. Once you're reasonably happy with this, and you're quite happy to leave it like it, just tap on the home screen, and there you go. You now have a very unique, and some could say rather off-putting color system, but if you're happy with it, you're happy with it. And that's it for this video. Hopefully you found this useful, and you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell to be informed when the next video is live here on YouTube. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. You take care of yourself. Goodbye for now.